So say something about your family background, the Muskan.
Muskan. So family background, I have a joint family in which we all have like grandfather, grandmother, and everyone lives together. And it's a business related family. Like everyone is into business.
What your father does?
It's a business related to mobile phones, electronic items, etc.
What is basically the meaning of joint and nuclear family?
A nuclear family where a single family lives, the parents and their children, and a joint family where everyone lives together, their relatives and their grandfather, grandmother, and
So are
their
you
other
having the joint
relatives.
family or the nuclear one?
The joint family.
Okay. You belong to Udaipur, Muskan?
Yes, sir.
So how you feel that you are the best candidate for our organization, the
Sir, because
consultancy firm which we are looking for?
I see this job description and I see this job as an opportunity, and I can be very devoted to the work in which I am into. And if I find this job suitable for me, I can be very devoted and focused into that job.
Okay. What kind of job is it? It is all about?
So it's a management trainee job in which I will be working under some supervision for a while until I become a proper manager.
Okay. And what do you understand by the HR consultancy firm, Muskan?
HR consultancy in which the HR is there and in which the consultant recruits and see the proper recruitment procedures and recruit people for a suitable job.
Okay. What kind of fields are available in the human resource?
Human resource proper, I can say the performance appraisal can be there and developing their behavior and performance into the organization so that they can work properly, and other things like they can be very they just actually looking forward to maintaining their performance day by day and appraising them properly.
Except the performance appraisal, anything more than that?
To properly, I can say if the performance appraisal is very nice, so that the HR should seek to maintain their needs and should seek for their needs, and the employee should be very happy from the job so that they can work more properly.
Have you heard the terminologies cold calls?
No, sir.
No way.
No, sir.
Okay. Why normally the HR recruiter or any kind of recruitment firm they use the LinkedIn?
So LinkedIn is a platform where we can find jobs properly and we can put our descriptions that I am suitable for this job, so the HR can find properly that who is suitable for my job description.
Okay. Facebook we cannot use for this activity.
Facebook, so there are other things too on the Facebook, like personal things, but in the LinkedIn there's everything professional things so that we can easily find a proper recruiter.
Okay. Anyone who is not your friend, not connected with you, you can directly message to them on LinkedIn.
I can, but there will be a professional terms there. And if I want to connect to them
Yeah, are you
personally,
sure?
I
Are you
can.
sure if you're not connected with him or anyone, but you can send the message to them?
No, sir, I don't think so. We can send personally messages on LinkedIn.
Okay. Then how you can connect with that specific person whom you want to recruit for your organization or for any organization with which you are associated?
So I'm not using LinkedIn much, so I'm not into this. But I know a basic thing that we can hire someone or we can find a job, a proper, suitable job.
For example, when you are going in a bank, right? And a bank, if you have to recruit somebody for the sales and marketing jobs, So how you will do the scrutiny of that specific candidate?
So I will first of all make sure that he or she is eligible for the job, and I will look forward to make him convinced that this job is suitable for the other person, and look forward if he can do the job suitably or not. He will be more focused and devoted to the job, and if everything goes fine, and I will first check the references and everything and his eligibility, and after interviewing him and after all the tests, I will make the recruitment procedure.
In your opinion, what kind of three qualities any HR manager they must have?
They should have a, first of all, I would like to admit that the first quality an HR manager should have is to maintain all the employees the same way, and to look forward if they are working properly or not, and to recruiting them properly without uh, doing any wrong decisions in recruiting process.
3 points I will ask. All three you have covered.
Uh, I have mentioned too that they should be very formal and they should be proper in the performance thing, and they should be proper in selecting and recruiting them, and they should be proper in all the procedures, maintaining and identifying the proper candidate for the suitable job.
What basically the Industrial Dispute Act, which normally has to be taken care by the HR professional in any industries.
I'm not very much aware of this thing, so
Have you heard the name of conflict management? Conflict management.
no, sir, not yet. I have not heard this.
Have you studied the HR subject?
Yes, sir, for 1 year I have studied it.
What was the name of the book?
So it was normal human resource.
Management.
Yes, sir, human resource management book.
Who is the best author for human resource management in the world?
Sir, I don't remember exactly the author.
You never read the multiple management books, right?
No, sir.
What is your interest area? Yeah.
It's a marketing field.
So why you are looking for the jobs in the HR field?
So because I chose HRM for the specialization course.
Okay. But your interest area is marketing.
Yes, sir. My core and niche interest in marketing.
And what kind of jobs you want to do in marketing?
So sales executive can be there, and lecturers can be there, and marketing like properly maintaining and properly appraising our brand and products to the market and opening our brand name to the marketing.
What is basically the meaning of advertisement and branding?
So advertising, we can say promoting our brand properly through websites, through social medias, through televisions, and etc. And branding is we should properly brand our the products related to their specializations.
How we can make our product as a brand?
We can make our product as a brand. If there is a product, we can just say that this is a product, but when it comes to brand, there should be a proper name and proper identification for the product, so that people can be aware of that this brand works for this thing.
Okay. If you will get the opportunity in the HR, then also you are fine with the HR field, or you only want to go for the marketing only?
So I can do both, but if the HR is my specialization course and I will learn more into this, so I think I will be suitable after that for the HR job too.
Okay. Okay, Muskan. Nice talking to you. Right? Anything you want to ask?
No, sir.
No, no question.
No, sir.
Okay. Thanks a lot. Thank you.